I gave up on running up there. I like the videos instead. That's pretty good. 6 hours later. I should just go take some pictures of the plane because we're not gonna.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, we're not gonna get out of here early. They're gonna keep us here for the testing for like 6 hours.
Yeah.
It's a really nice plane. Makes a lot of noise, but.
It does.
This is gonna take like what, 3 hours, at least.
No, it shouldn't.
I was here a month ago. It took me.
Well, things have improved
It took me
since.
4 hours.
Okay, hopefully it shouldn't be more than an hour today.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for being optimistic.
You're welcome.
Because I'm very negative.